An individual needs a tailor to craft his clothes. So does a tailor need someone to wear his creation. As the tailor starts his creation, he has to prepare all the materials needed. He needs to follow the correct pattern to make it fit to the model. So, the tailor calls his friends to ask for help on his projects. That's why the project SOAR, which stands for Seek for Empowering Word Recognition and Enhancing Reading Comprehensions, was created. The Team Nene was formed, a noble educators of new era headed by our former principal, Arturo R. Moreno, and new principal, David E. Titan Jr., together with the CI members, Mrs. Crispina R. Urahay, Mrs. Basilisa I. Alimagno, Mrs. Cristel D. Leal, Mrs. Rose J. Rahoma, and Ms. Claudette R. Tolentino. Based on the peer year data of school year 2012 to 2013 and 2013 to 2014, it shows that grade 7 students of SBNHS got the highest percentage under the frustration level. Then, a student came and asked the tailor on what he needs to wear that fits for him in the project. So, the tailor made a survey to find out the appropriate suit for the students. From this, majority of grade 7 read Tagalog books reading materials and seldom read English.
Comics kid.
Lepo.
Comics book. Comics.
Tagalog po. Tagalog. Bata. English.
Tagalog po.
Tagalog. Tagalog. Tagalog.
Tagalog po.
Tagalog. Naiintindihan ko po ang Tagalog. Mahirap po minsan yung
Dahil kami 10 hindi po naintindihan.
mahirap. Mahirap po
Yung iba po hindi po namin naiintindihan yung salita. Pag English po.
Di po pamilyar.
Kasi mahirap, yung iba pong salita doon, mahirap po intindihin, hindi ko po maintindihan. Sarap po na Tagalog.
Nasabi hindi ko po maintindihan yung English.
Kaya mahirap po intindihin at hindi po familiar.
Dahil po may mga mahirap pong salita na hindi ko po maintindihan.
In the observation made, execution of the lessons is one of the factors that distribute to the learning of the students. It revealed the average MPS of grade 7 students in English, and that was 57%. Root cause analysis was done and reasons were identified why it is such. So, the tailors started to gather the materials and make a pattern. After a few days of creation, they came up with project ALMS PASS 2Ws. So, the students tried to fit the said project, and tailors found out that it fits. Yes, it fits. And the MPS before, which is 57, now became 72%. Because of that, customers or students enjoyed using PASS, and now They are confident and ready to face different words and read English reading materials.
The benefits of using PAS for me are: first, using PAS helps me easily to identify the words. Second, me and my classmates became more active. And lastly, it motivates us to read more stories. Yes, I enjoy using PAS in our lesson because it enhances my ability in vocabulary, and I love to learn more words.
What I observed from my groupmates, they became more cooperative and I saw them happy in making or doing their activities. Yes, because it will be a great help for everybody.
I regularly check my group mates if they make or did not make their assignment.
Lessen the number of my group mates who did not make assignment.
I observed that my group mates became more responsible in making their assignment.
Naraan word is your assignment. Aryan word is your assignment. Darren's word is your assignment. Primar word is your assignment.